When location, lifestyle, and utility all come together in one home, we must talk about it. Welcome to 5568 Ceylon Street, right here in Green Valley Ranch in Denver, Colorado. This home features main floor living, completely laundry, main floor primary, and all the things, access to DIA, the First Creek Park Trail right behind me, access to multiple parks, rec centers, coffee shops, all the things right in the perfect location in Green Valley Ranch. But when you go inside, there's also the opportunity to build a little equity with the massive upper loft that can be turned into a bedroom and a bathroom, or can be used for an office, or just a kids' play zone rec area. However, all of the amenities, laundry, main floor primary, kitchen, all right there in a modern open floor plan. Let's go check it out. A lot of people talk about main floor living. However, this primary bedroom that I'm standing in, the bathroom behind me with a perfect walk-in shower, oversized walk-in shower, as well as massive counter space, dual sinks, is right off the main floor. What people sometimes forget when they're talking about main floor living is the fact that the laundry room, especially in Colorado, can oftentimes be on the lower level in the basement, and so on. But as you can see, just across the home, on the main floor, you have your laundry room right here. As we finish out our tour of 5568 Ceylon Street, I can't help but stop here on the corner front yard of this property. The corner lot brings you one direct neighbor to the side and one direct neighbor to the back, giving you a unique visibility for a planned unit development just like this. As we finish out the tour, just know you are minutes away, 3 right turns from DIA, Peña Blvd, you're right there. So if you're working at the airport or you travel a ton, this is a perfect spot, especially with the 3-car garage. The final feature, the tall 8-foot doors, allow for flexibility, get those bigger trucks, SUVs in there, a ton of storage with the unfinished basement. And that's where we really want to focus in, is you have the storage. If you did want to put a little sweat equity into the home, you can certainly finish out that basement, add a bathroom, it's plumbed in for bathroom, and really expedite the appreciation of your investment right here in the Denver real estate market. If you have questions or any concerns, want to check out the property, just let me know, comment below, I'll reach out. You better hurry, because this one won't last long.